Soldering really falls under what we call the welding standards. There are very specific standards for any time we're going to use heat to melt an object or to repair an object, and soldering is just an electrical form of heat. So they really fall under a lot of our welding standards. In those standards, there are very specific requirements about how workers will use with the various products. Some of the products they have to protect themselves from, either by using the proper eye protection, using the proper hand or glove protection. In other cases, they may be using some type of a gas with the soldering or the welding, such as oxygen or acetylene, and there are very specific requirements of how they have to make sure that those cylinders are properly protected from being damaged or from fire. On the electrical side, of course, they always have to be looking at possible electrical contact issues and how somebody might accidentally come in contact with electricity that could result in some type of a burn or an electrocution. So there's various standards in different places depending on the type of soldering or the type of welding that somebody's going to do.